welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna make a unicorn bookmark. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's start. We need a scissor, a marker, a glue, and obviously some colorful papers. Now take a white paper, and now we will be converting this paper into a square paper. So now fold a triangle and fold a small triangle, and now take the borders inside. Something like this. And now it's ready. Our bookmark is actually ready. And now actually just the decorating part is remaining. So we need a marker and some colorful papers for the decorating part. Now I have drawn the eyes using the marker. It's very easy part. And now we will make a cone of the unicorn. I am using a yellow paper, and I think a yellow paper is the best for the cone. Now cut it, something like this. And now we will be making the ears of the unicorn. So something like this. And now cut it. I've used the pink paper to make the inside part of the ears. Now we will make something like flowers to decorate inside the bookmark. These flowers will give an exact look of a unicorn. Do as shown. Now use yellow dots in the middle of the flowers, and now I'm sticking everything to our bookmark. Oops! I didn't have to use the glue all over the cone. I had to use the glue only at the bottom part. Now I'll make sure. This is really very easy, guys, and this is really gonna be beautiful. Now all the three flowers. Now it's ready and it looks so beautiful. Let's test it. I think it will work perfectly, and it's amazing, guys. It works perfectly. You should try this craft, and this is really very beautiful bookmark. So guys, do subscribe the channel, like the video, and bye bye guys.